Welcome back in my YouTube channel. This is your computer teacher Priyanka. Hope you all are doing great. So let's start today's video. But before it, you have to like the video and make sure that you all are the subscriber of my channel to get the notification about new videos. So let's start today.
Student, in the last tutorial, we have discussed the book exercise of chapter number 5, Introduction to Microsoft Excel. In today's tutorial also, we are going to discuss the book exercise, the other parts. Okay, so let's continue. First of all, we will do fill in the blanks. So question number 1, a dash is a collection of worksheets. Student, when we open the Microsoft Excel window, by default the 3 sheets are there, sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. You can add as many you want. So we can say that a single file in Excel known as workbook, and it is the collection of worksheets. Clear? Second one, the dash contains the undo and redo button. What contains undo and redo button? Quick access toolbar. Okay, quick access toolbar contains undo and redo button. The formula can be entered in the dash bar. Student, because here it is mentioned bar, so we will write formula bar. The formula can be entered in the formula bar, although we can enter formula in cell also. So remember that formula can be entered in cell as well as in formula bar. But if it is mentioned clearly dash bar, so you will write formula bar. Number 4, dash is the cell boundary of the active cell. Student, whatever cell will be active and that cell boundary is known as cell pointer. Okay, so cell pointer is the cell boundary of the active cell, and you know that which cell is active, that boundary will be highlighted and that particular cell name will display in the name box. Okay, cell address of that cell will display in the name box. Fifth one, the option for cut, copy and paste are found in the dash group in the home tab. Student, it will be clipboard group, okay, under the home tab. So whenever you need to use cut, copy and paste option, so you have to click on clipboard group in the home tab. Now we will move to the next slide. And we are going to do give one word answer for the following. The cell with the highlighted boundary. Now only we have discussed the cell with the highlighted boundary known as active cell, because student, when you click on any cell, that cell will become active, highlighted, and you are able to enter data in that particular cell. So remember this, the cell with the highlighted boundary known as active cell. Second one, an equation that performs a calculation. What we call it? We call it formula. Okay, because with the help of formula only, we are able to perform a calculation. So an equation that performs a calculation known as formula. The group from where you can insert or delete rows and columns. Sometimes you need to insert a row and column, and sometimes you need to delete also. Okay, so we are able to do it from the cells group. Which group? Cells group. So remember student, the group from where you can insert or delete rows and columns known as cells group. Now number 4, feature which lets you fill in series automatically. What we call it? You remember when we use fill handle, it is at the bottom right corner in the cell. When we click, we are able to fill the series automatically. So that is that feature of MS Excel known as autofill. Clear? And with the help of fill handle, we are able to fill the series automatically, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or any alphabetical series, or like day's name or month's name. Clear? So features which let you fill in series automatically known as autofill. Now the fifth one, the smallest unit in a worksheet. Student, the smallest unit in the worksheet is cell. Cell is the smallest unit of a worksheet. So hope you understood, and you have to complete this in your computer book. Those who have already completed, no problem, you can match the answers. And student, prepare well. Chapter number 3 and 4, as you know, it will come in the class test. Any problem you are having, you can ask in the WebEx session. Read the chapter properly, go through all the topics. Okay, refer your computer book. Each and every step is clearly mentioned there. Still any problem, you can write in my YouTube comment box also, or you can ask in the WebEx session also. Till then, take care. Goodbye. We will meet in the next video.